Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Dodge Journey. What we'll be doing today guys, we'll show you where to find the relay for the vacuum pump, brake vacuum pump. Now, if that pump doesn't work, what will happen, you will experience hard brake paddle and your brakes will be affected severely. So, either you have a bad pump, bad relay or a bad fuse. So, we're going to show in today's video where the relay for the vacuum pump is. Stay with us guys, that's what we'll be doing. In the meantime, we'll have guys more than 200 videos on this car, so please subscribe to the channel. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can. All you have to do, open your hood. Once you open the hood, doesn't matter which engine you have guys, okay, you can see this lid right here, that's where the fuses and the relays are. Those two things, squish them towards each other, pull straight up. Okay, and if you flip it that way, you can see the fuse and the relay layout, but the relay that we need right now guys, it's right here. This is the relay for the vacuum pump. Okay, that one that says 2703. You can find in the description of the video below where we will buy our replacement relay, so if you need one, you can get it. Okay, just grab it with your hands. We have a video that explains how to test the relays as well, so make sure guys you check it out, it will save you quite a bit of trouble. So let me grab one quick. Okay, and this is our replacement one now. All we have to do, just push it back in. After that, do not forget guys to put your cover on, because if you leave it open, okay, water and humidity might get in and it will affect, it can affect your car severely. Now, let me tell you quick, your brake vacuum pump. Okay, this is your brake vacuum pump, so always inspect that one. We'll have a video how to test it as well, because okay, that pump, it's sometimes it's a weak spot, and the hoses, you have to inspect the hoses as well. So thank you for watching guys, please subscribe to the channel and see you guys next time.